Hi, I'm Mr. Connors, and I teach automotive collision repair and refinishing at the Saginaw Career Center. I get a kick out of getting to know the students on a personal level and being able to talk and joke around with them. I enjoy watching the kids go from near zero auto body knowledge to being able to independently prep and fix auto body issues. I get a feeling of pride and excitement when I help place kids at a different area of auto-focused businesses that want to hire employees with some job experience within the realm of the automotive industry. I am proud to be part of a program that believes in hands-on experience. I have been in auto body repair business for the past 28 years and am able to give my kids personal expertise and knowledge of the industry and tools that are needed to succeed. Our program has state-of-the-art facilities and technology that can help with welding, painting, bumping, and other techniques that are currently being used in the automotive industry. I was born in Bronx, New York, but raised in Greenwich, Connecticut. I moved to Michigan and began auto body repair in 1992. I am married to an elementary art teacher and have 3 daughters. I love listening to music, hard rock and 80s music, and going to see my favorite bands in concert. If you like working on cars or want to learn how, I hope to see you in collision repair and refinishing in the fall.